In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your Trello board step by step. Whether you want to back up your data, move your board to another tool, share it with a client, or simply keep a copy for your records, exporting your Trello board is quick and easy once you know where to click. I'll walk you through exporting as JSON, exporting as CSV, copying a shareable link, and even generating a QR code. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that contains the board you want to export. If you're not logged in yet, enter your email and password and sign in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll see your workspace home with all your boards displayed. Next, click on the specific board that you want to export. This will open the board view where you can see all your lists, cards, labels, and tasks. Make sure you're on the correct board before continuing, especially if you manage multiple projects. Now, look toward the top right area of your board. You'll see the menu option represented by 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open the board menu. This menu contains additional settings and sharing options for your board. Inside the menu, find and click on the option that says Print, Export, and Share. This is where Trello groups all the exporting and sharing tools together. Once you click it, you'll see several different options appear. If you simply want to share access quickly, you can click on the link option to copy the board link to your clipboard. This allows you to paste the link into an email, message, or document so others can access the board, depending on your board's privacy settings. If your goal is to create a full backup of your board's data, click on Export as JSON. When you select this option, Trello will generate a JSON file containing all the structured data from your board, including cards, lists, members, due dates, and more. Your browser will automatically download the file to your device. JSON exports are especially useful if you plan to import your Trello data into another system or if you want a complete technical backup. If you prefer a format that's easier to open in spreadsheet tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, choose Export as CSV instead. This will download a CSV file to your computer, which organizes your board data into rows and columns. This format is great for reporting, analysis, or sharing task data with stakeholders who prefer spreadsheets. You'll also notice the option to show QR code. Clicking this will generate a QR code that links directly to your board. You can scan this QR code with a mobile device to quickly open the board without typing the URL manually. This can be useful for presentations, meetings, or quick team access. And that's it. That's how you export your Trello board in multiple formats, copy a shareable link, and even generate a QR code. As you can see, everything is conveniently located inside the Print, Export, and Share section of the board menu. Before you go, if this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.